What if we told you that there's a way to save our planet from impending doom, and it involves mining asteroids? That's right, forget about digging for gold or precious gems on Earth, because the real treasure lies in outer space. In this eye-opening video, we'll explore the exciting and potentially life-saving world of asteroid mining and discover how it could hold the key to our survival on Earth. Buckle up and get ready to blast off into a whole new realm of possibilities. Asteroids may be a much better place to get the supplies. Early evidence suggests that there are trillions of dollars worth of minerals and metals buried in asteroids that come close to the Earth. Asteroids are so close that many scientists think an asteroid mining mission is easily feasible. Several international organizations are developing plans for going up to get these natural space resources. Scientists think asteroids are leftover material from the early formation of the solar system or debris from the destruction of a planet. There are tens of thousands of asteroids circling the Sun. Most are grouped inside the asteroid belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Some asteroids stray from this orbit, though flying close to Earth on occasion. Most asteroids fit into three basic categories. C-type, more than 75% of known asteroids fit into this category. The composition of C-type asteroids is similar to that of the Sun without hydrogen, helium, and other volatiles. S-type, about 17% of asteroids are this type. These contain deposits of nickel, iron, and magnesium. N-type, a small number of asteroids are this type, and they contain nickel and iron. Even without a manned mission to do a full-scale study of an asteroid, scientists know a lot about what asteroids contain. Astronomers use telescopic spectroscopy, which analyzes light reflected from the asteroid's surface, to find out what might be there. In addition to iron, nickel, and magnesium, scientists think water, oxygen, gold, and platinum also exist on some asteroids. Water interests space explorers most because it could help keep a space colony alive. Without water, there is no way to move forward with human exploration of space. Water could also be broken down into hydrogen and oxygen to form rocket engine propellant. The metal ore on the asteroids could be mined and used for building spacecraft and other structures for a space colony. Corporations that might not be interested in exploring space for adventure and science could be interested in the treasures that a space mining operation could send back to Earth. One NASA report estimates that the mineral wealth of the asteroids in the asteroid belt might exceed $100 billion for each of the 6 billion people on Earth. John S. Lewis, the author of the space mining book Mining the Sky, has said that an asteroid with a diameter of 1 kilometer would have a mass of about 2 billion tons. There are perhaps 1 million asteroids of this size in the solar system. One of these asteroids, according to Lewis, would contain 30 million tons of nickel, 1.5 million tons of metal cobalt, and 7,500 tons of platinum. The platinum alone would have a value of more than $150 billion. Asteroid extraction and processing. The drive to set up a mining operation on an asteroid is a matter of simple economics. While building an asteroid mine will cost billions of dollars, it will be far cheaper than carrying supplies from Earth to the Moon or Mars. Spacecraft would have to carry food and supplies for the mining crew and the equipment for the mine. Newly developed spacecraft should make landing on an asteroid possible. After all, we have already landed on the Moon, and some asteroids pass by closer than the Moon. A spacecraft going to an asteroid would need less rocket power and fuel than one going to the Moon. Such technology could also have a tangible environmental impact. Most notably, asteroid mining would prevent the need for traditional in-the-ground methods of mining, which release toxic chemicals such as lead and arsenic into waterways and contribute to acid mine drainage. Asteroid mining could also provide an avenue for the creation of solar power satellites, a potentially consistent source of clean energy. Most of the progress that has already been made on asteroid mining technology has been focused on extracting water, reflecting concerns about growing water shortages around the world. Additionally, an important argument can be made that asteroid mining would reduce the prevalence of inhumane or otherwise illegal practices surrounding human mining operations. This would especially impact artisanal and small-scale mining, ASM operations that are not managed by larger mining companies. For example, recent attention has been focused on the Democratic Republic of the Congo. This country has responded to the growing global demand for batteries and electric vehicles through its cobalt supplies, of which it contains about 70% of the world's resources. Although mining operations can be dangerous, A deplorable record of child labor and fatal accidents within Congolese ASM operations has highlighted the need for significant change. Asteroid mining as an alternative to traditional mining might be the kind of change the world requires to end these abuses of power. Economic impacts. Perhaps the most apparent impact of asteroid mining would be on the global economy. On one hand, it can produce significant wealth for individuals, with astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson, among others, even claiming that the first trillionaire will be an asteroid mining mogul. To this end, some argue that promoting asteroid mining technology could also be the key to developing a future space economy, ranging from tourism to settlement. However, many experts argue on the flip side that asteroid mining would quickly destroy the economy of global raw materials currently valued at about $660 billion US. They claim this economy would be quickly overtaken by the quintillions of dollars worth of material from asteroid mining. Environmental impact. A positive impact of asteroid mining has been conjectured as being an enabler of transferring industrial activities into space, such as energy generation. A quantitative analysis of the potential environmental benefits of water and platinum mining in space has been developed, where potentially large benefits could materialize depending on the ratio of material mined in space and mass launched into space. In conclusion, the idea of asteroid mining may sound like a concept taken straight out of a sci-fi movie, but the potential benefits for our planet are real and immense. By harnessing the resources found in asteroids, we can not only advance our space exploration capabilities, but also pave the way for a more sustainable and eco-friendly future on Earth. It's exciting to think about the endless possibilities that asteroid mining could bring and the positive impact it could have on our planet. If you found this video informative, kindly subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.